Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete LinkedIn account on mobile. Before making the big move, knowing the consequence of closing a LinkedIn account is essential. Permanently deleting your profile will erase your information and make your profile invisible on the platform. So, all your endorsements, connections, recommendations, certifications, and details you've added to the profile will disappear. LinkedIn offers 2 weeks retrieval window, and you can save a copy of your data before closing the account, but you can't recover everything if you decide to return. Endorsements and recommendations, group members, followings, and unanswered invitations are some of the things you'll lose if you decide to reactivate your account. Tap on Profile Picture, then tap on the settings in the bottom left corner. Now, select Account Preferences. Then scroll down to the bottom and click Close Account. LinkedIn will state what you'll lose after closing your account. Proceed by tapping Continue. And select a reason for closing your account and tap Next. Confirm your password and mark the checkbox underneath it if you'd like to unsubscribe from future LinkedIn emails. Tap Done to finalize the process. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.